How to make money from forex and cryptocurrency trading. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make money from forex and cryptocurrency trading. This is brief overview of what forex and cryptocurrency trading are. Disclaimer about risks involved and the importance of responsible trading. So you need to understand the markets and the key players in the forex market. For example, banks, financial institutions, retail traders, major currency pairs such as EUR/USD, GBP/USD, USD/JPY, etc. And cryptocurrency market and how it works. The key cryptocurrencies, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. Plus the role of blockchain technology. Next step is setting up your trading platform by choosing a broker or exchanges. And if you are ready to set up your accounts, you need step-by-step guides to setting up a forex trading account and a cryptocurrency exchange account. You also need to know the importance of two-factor authentication. This is very important for the security of your assets. And how to use trading platforms like MetaTrader for FIFX for forex trading, and popular cryptocurrency trading platforms like Coinbase, BYB, Raken, Qcoin, OKX9. The next step is to develop a trading strategy through technical analysis. And the basics of technical analysis are charts, trends, support and resistance, plus key technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and so on. So this is part 1. Watch out for other parts on this channel.